How to use Cdocast metal granulating machine. Add the materials into crucible. Before feeding, carefully check whether the crucible has cracks and whether the bottom hole of the crucible is blocked. After the tank is full, turn on the main switch. Turn on the power switch and set the melting temperature. Adjust to the power. Press the heating button to start heating. Press the heat off to stop heating. Press the protective gas. Melting process. After melting, lift the stopper. Granulation process. Turn on the water pump after melting is completed. The water in the tank starts to circulate internally. Turn on the lifting switch of the loading tray. Tank lift automatically. Press the red switch to open the latch. Hold the handle to lift the tank. Pour out the water.